Hi, it's Jeroen from Salesflare, and today I'll show you how to get started keeping track of your customers so you can build up a nice full pipeline like this one. Salesflare was built to make it easy to stay on top of your customers. The app keeps all the relevant information for you automatically, so all you really need to do is tell it who you want to keep track of. And I'll show you 6 simple ways to do exactly that. The first way starts with the blue plus button, which you'll always find at the bottom right of the page. Click it, then select Create Account. Let's say we want to keep track of Stripe, or the companies we're selling to. Then you type Stripe in and Salesflare will search for matching companies. Select Stripe from the list and it will fill out the website and the logo for you automatically. Click Create and Salesflare creates the Stripe account, pre-filling a lot of useful information. Their location in San Francisco, their company size, their phone number, and much more. Now, if you've already been emailing with someone at the company, let's say Patrick here, he's the CEO, Salesforce will suggest adding him as a contact. Then, when you add the first contact, Salesforce asks whether there's an opportunity. Let's say we're selling them a website. So I just type website, I put in the customer's pipeline, and I click yes. Here on the right, now you'll see the opportunity being created. And in the middle, in the timeline, you can see all of the past interactions I had with Patrick show up. So that includes here 2 emails we exchanged, a click he did on an email link of mine, and also a meeting. Everything gets into Salesflare without you having to log anything manually. The second easy way is to start from your contacts. When you click on contacts here on the left, you'll see 2 tabs. The customers, which holds every contact you've added to an account, and my contacts, which shows you all the contacts that are automatically created from your mailbox and calendar. Let's just say we take John from my contacts and click create account here. Then exactly the same thing will happen as before. Stripe will be automatically created with the right domain, website, and all of the extra information. It just works the exact same way as before. A third way is to go through the account suggestions. Whenever you're in touch with someone new, Salesforce will look in your mailbox and in your calendar, and it will start suggesting accounts to you. It works with check marks and crosses. If the account is relevant, you can add it by clicking the check mark. And if you decide that the account is not relevant, you can just click the cross. Whenever I add the accounts and add Patrick and John, the whole timeline pulls in automatically again. In this case, the account is suggested because we had a meeting with Stripe 2 hours ago and I know 2 people there. The fourth way is exclusive to Gmail and Microsoft 365 users, and it lets you create an account directly from an email. Here, I have Gmail open with the Salesflare sidebar on the right, and when I open an email, the sidebar automatically loads the related account next to it, in this case, Stripe again. When the account is not created yet, it will show a big blue create button here, like before, and everything works just the same way. In this case, I've already created Stripe, so what it's asking me now is to add the contacts. The fifth way is from LinkedIn. You can just browse to any person or company profile to add it to Salesflare. There's even a built-in email finder in case you don't have their email address yet. This email finder uses lead credits, which are only used when a quality email address is found. And finally, the sixth way, also with the sidebar, is from any website. Everything works just like before, but this is also the perfect place to show you this neat feature, Find Leads, here below the contacts header. When you press it, Salesflare will look through its lead database to help you find the right people at your prospect. Want to see who's in sales at Stripe? Then just type sales here at the top, and then press sales, and then it searches. Adding a lead here also uses a lead credit when a quality email address is found. And those are 6 quick and easy ways to create accounts in Salesflare. I hope everything was clear. Feel free to rewatch this video if any part wasn't. There's plenty more on our how-to site, and if you ever need help, just hit the chat button in the app. We're always super happy to help. Thanks for watching.